Hey team, welcome back to another HubSpot tutorial. My name is Jake Tracy with Bonsai Web Services, and today we're going to be covering all the things that you can do within a particular contact. So in previous tutorials, you were able to log into HubSpot successfully and also navigate to the contact dashboard, which is this here, where you can see all the lists. We went through some tips and tricks on how to filter and drill down to the criteria that you're looking for. And then once you've actually found the contact that you're looking for, today I'm going to show you all the available options that you have to track all of your communication as an agronomist working with ranchers and farmers. And so here are just a few of the different things that you can do within the contact dashboard. Once your AirCall phone number is connected to HubSpot and your email, your Outlook email is connected to HubSpot, you'll be able to use these quick tools to quickly call or email your client directly within HubSpot. Now what that does is it's great. It automatically logs the email inside the contact record. So for convenience, you can look back and see all the correspondence and notes that you've had. HubSpot also has an AI component, Breeze, which will summarize your correspondence and how things are going with your client. The next thing that you can actually do is take notes. And so you can come in here to the notes section. Again, you'll probably land right out the gate. Here's the Breeze record summary, for example. You'll click this activities tab, click notes, and then come over here and create a new note. You can go ahead and tag somebody on your team just by putting the @ symbol and their name, and it will autofill like so. So if I wanted to tag Jake, which is myself, in this note, I could do that here. Let's say I wanted to tag Christian maybe in this note. I could type his name in here, and now Christian is tagged. So when I save this note, it'll automatically notify Christian that he's been tagged in this note as well. So this can be useful in quick correspondence without actually having to go to another medium of communication, such as texting Christian that, hey, I put a note in HubSpot. He'll automatically get a HubSpot notification with the details of the note and a quick link in order to access it. So. And then I mentioned briefly that once we connect your email inbox, you'll be able to come in here and create email or log an email. So you can copy and paste that inside here, and that would be available here for reference for anybody who's working with F. Scott Dairy. And then again, once your AirCall service is connected to HubSpot, the text messages and phone calls that you send to the client will also be logged here for convenience. So you can go back and see a history of all your correspondence in one place, which is super helpful. And then finally, there's tasks. And in our next HubSpot tutorial, we'll cover tasks and meetings. But if you have any questions about the tutorial we've covered here so far, feel free to reach out as always. Otherwise, we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.